Let's talk about effective writing. Paragraphs and essays should be interesting to read. They should demonstrate style and invite the reader to continue to read. This is called effective writing. Students can become effective writers in different ways. Rich, descriptive vocabulary and fluent, developed sentences in a variety of styles will add to the effect of a piece of writing. When looking for different styles of sentences, have a look on pages 21 and 20 in your course pack. That's going to give you information on simple, compound, and complex sentences, as well as compound complex sentences. You are going to need to know these different sentence types in order to be an effective academic essay writer. For now, what we're looking at is just how to make the writing a little bit more interesting. So let's take a look at the vocabulary of writing. Let's look at the paragraph below. It says, "My hometown is a very nice place. It has beautiful parks and nice museums. It has an interesting history. The transportation system is very good. The people are friendly and kind. I like my hometown." Okay. Well, this does give us some information about this place, but it doesn't give us information in a very interesting way. I mean, really, when you think about it, what does nice tell us? Nice in what way? It has an interesting history. Well, interesting how? The transportation is very good. Well, what is good about it? Okay. So it doesn't really give us a whole lot of information about this person's hometown. Okay. It gives us just some very basic information. And you'll notice that when we look at the different types of sentences, let's see, what do we have here? The first one, let's get rid of some of these marks here and look at the sentence styles that we've got here. Okay. The first one, "My hometown is a very nice place." Okay, we've got a simple sentence here. It has beautiful parks and nice museums. No, still a simple sentence. It has an interesting history. The transportation system is good. People are kind. I like my hometown. We're looking at pretty much a paragraph that is almost all simple sentences. So when you write this way, what happens is your writing really lacks fluency. Okay? It's very choppy. And what we want to do is create more fluency in the writing. We want to have vocabulary that actually says something that's useful and informative for the reader. Okay? And in doing that, we can have good developed sentences. So what I'd like you to do for homework is take a look at this document. Okay, there's a paragraph, take a look at this paragraph, which is in our team drive. Okay. In our team drive, there's a folder that's called Writing. Okay, if you click on this folder, you're going to find this document that's called Traveling is Nice. And what I want you to do is I want you to rewrite this paragraph using more interesting sentence styles, compound, complex, or compound complex. And again, these are found in your course pack on page 20 and page 21. And I also want you to use more descriptive vocabulary. Okay. So on the Google Doc, it says below, write your name and then rewrite the paragraph above using more interesting sentence styles and more descriptive vocabulary. So what you can do is just copy and paste the paragraph above and then write your name. What's the name of someone in our class? Oh my gosh, my mind is totally blank. It's Friday afternoon, that's why. Abdu. So Abdu's going to write his name, and then below he's going to copy out the paragraph, but he's going to rewrite it in a more interesting way. Okay, and then underneath Abdu, somebody else is going to come along and they're going to do the same thing. Carlos. He is going to take this paragraph, he's going to copy it, he's going to paste it below, and he's going to decide how he wants to change it to make it more interesting and descriptive. Okay? So by the time everybody has finished their homework, we're going to have 16 paragraphs on this one page of how each of you has decided to change this paragraph to make it more interesting and descriptive. So we'll take a look at these next week and see how you did.